This is Ryan with MurrayPlumbing.net. This is our website, www.murrayplumbing.net. This is a sump pump job I did earlier this week. It was a mess. The old sump pump was not pumping the water like it should. It just got burnt out so bad. They have so much water that just drains down there under their house. It's ridiculous. You can see where
this is actually
MurrayPlumbing.net.
Full water
valve.
Sump pump,
and then I also did
a flood
when I
pulled out
because this fire.
quick video. There it is.
See the
water still after I pulled it out.
See how old that is.
Got a real heavy.
There's
a new one.
Quarter horsepower,
heavy
duty.
It did.
Full water when I got back.
That's it.
Just
almost tied in. A new back.
I'm not sure what that picture is, but here's my Repipe.
I also did a water PEX Repipe
on
the house.
I like to keep it
with
tight.
sewer
Really
repipe.
that, but it goes
PEX
to the
piping.
kitchen.
House caught on fire back
some
to
of
the
the
waste
main.
lines, and there's some water flowing where I found the one
going
together and tight,
and then
more
bathroom.
pictures.
And
it was a pretty big
house,
job.
and
www.toilet,
MurrayPlumbing.net.
that
fitting should have been
or call me personally for
code.
estimate 530.
So there's the finished job on the sump pump, and there's the beginning of the job of the sump pump. And like I said, here's some more of the repipe, and we are all done.